Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Knowledge World. Students, today I will share some important objective questions from the chapter Food. These questions will help you and enable you to get good marks in your exams. If you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe our channel Smart Knowledge World. If you like my video, share my video with your friends. So let's start with first question. The first question is, green plants make their own food by the process of dash. And the answer is yes, answer is photosynthesis. The next question is, food is prepared by the dash of the green plants. And the answer is yes, answer is leaves. And the third question is, dash is considered a complete food. And the answer of this question is yes, milk. Milk is considered a complete food. The next question, question 4 is, dash birds are kept by human for their eggs. And answer of this question is poultry birds. Poultry birds are kept by humans for their eggs. Next question, question 5 is, dash is good source of protein. And answer is yes, meat. Meat is good source of protein. Question 6. Define nutrients. And answer is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are the important components of food and they are called nutrients. Next question, question 7 is, on the basis of the nutrients present in the food is categorized into three main categories. You have to specify here the main categories of food. And the answer is first is energy giving food and it includes carbohydrates and fat. And next category bodybuilding food. It includes proteins. And third category is protective food. It includes vitamins and minerals. Next question, question 8 is, carbohydrates are made up of dash. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, these are present in the form of sugar and starch. Our next question is question 9. Proteins are made up of dash. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and a small quantity of both sulfur and phosphorus. Next question, question 10 is, dash help in building up the developing tissues at all ages. Answer is proteins. Question 11. Fats are made up of dash. carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. However, they contain much less oxygen in comparison to the carbohydrates. Next question is question 12. Dash are essential for maintaining good health and proper growth of the body, but they are needed in small quantity only. Answer is vitamins. Next question, question 13. Vitamin dash is actually a group of vitamin, and answer of this question is vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex is actually a group of vitamins. Next question, question 14 is what are the water soluble vitamins? And answer of this question is vitamin B and vitamin C are the water soluble vitamins. Next question, question 15. What are the fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are soluble in fat. Next question, question 16. Dash is the richest source of vitamin C, and answer of this question is Indian gooseberry, and we can say amla is the richest source of vitamin C. Next question, question 70. Cod liver oil, shark liver oil, yellow vegetables are the source of vitamin dash. Vitamin A. All these are the source of vitamin A. Next question, question 18 is deficiency of vitamin B can cause the disease, and the answer of this question is beriberi, weak muscles and weakness. Next question, question 19. A child who has bow legs is suffering from dash disease, and answer of this question is rickets. Next question, question 20. What are the sources of vitamin D? Sunlight, milk, eggs, shark liver oil and cod liver oil are the sources of vitamin D. Next question, question 21. Dash is required for smooth functioning of reproductive system. What is required for smooth functioning of reproductive system? Vitamin E. Vitamin A is required for smooth functioning of reproductive system. Next question is deficiency of dash can cause pigeon chest. Chest is deformed due to weakening of ribs, and the answer of this question is vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D can cause pigeon chest. Next question, question 23. Deficiency of dash can cause anemia, and the answer of this question is iron. Deficiency of iron can cause anemia. Question 24. In dash disease, growth of child retarded and the face, feet and abdominal region gets swollen. And answer of this question is kwashiorkor. Next question, question 25. PEM stands for dash and it is also called dash. PEM stands for protein energy malnutrition and it is also called protein calorie malnutrition. Question 26. Deficiency of proteins, carbohydrates and fats can cause two diseases dash and dash. Two diseases names are kwashiorkor and marasmus. Next question, question 27. A diet that contains all the nutrients in the right proportion is called a diet that contains all nutrients in the right proportion is called yes, balanced diet. Question 28. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Disease caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Name of the disease is scurvy. Yes. Question 29. Dash and iodine deficiency disease. Goiter. Goiter and iodine deficiency disease. And the last question is dash is major source of energy in diet and answer of this question is fats. Yes, fat is major source of energy in diet.